GNW is a trusted OEM/ODM factory with 16 years of manufacturing experience, specializing in durable, high-quality artificial flowers for the wedding, events decor, and interior design industries. We are your partner in bringing innovative designs to life. Supported by a highly professional design and prototyping team, we possess extensive customization expertise, having delivered tailored production solutions for over 3,000 event and wedding companies worldwide. This deep experience allows us to perfectly translate your unique concepts into finished products. As a source factory, we provide significant price advantages without ever compromising on quality. Our positioning is clear: to deliver premium, long-lasting products. To ensure a seamless global experience, we offer reliable door-to-door shipping worldwide. Specifically for our UK clients, we maintain a local stock warehouse for next-day delivery and support a worry-free return and replacement policy, enhancing your purchasing flexibility and peace of mind. Choosing GNW means partnering with a strategic supplier that combines rich experience, competitive pricing, superior quality, and dependable service. We are dedicated to helping your projects blossom with excellence.